Would you like to win gifts from over 100 yarn channels here on YouTube? Well, watch until the end of this video to find out how. Hey there crafter, my name is Amanda and thank you so much for visiting my channel Crafters Autonomous. So if you need to know a little bit about me, there are a few things in life that I really love. I love Jesus, I love my family, I love crochet, and I love Christmas. Like, I go crazy for Christmas. You know, for this video I had to pull out an elf hat, I'm wearing my Minnie Mouse Christmas festive shirt, I've got on these leggings I just got from Kohl's. They're like gingerbread. They're super awesome, super festive. But anyways, I love Christmas. I go crazy for Christmas. And so when I found out about this Christmas in July Fairies giveaway event happening, I was like, oh yeah, I'm in. So the Christmas in July Fairies event, it's a hashtag that you can search here on YouTube, and Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet has been so wonderful in putting this together and coordinating this event. But it's a big giveaway where there's a bunch of creators that are participating, and we're calling ourselves Fairies. And all of us Fairies, I want to say there's like over 100 of us now, I think. But anyways, we're gonna do a big drawing and one person is gonna win a gift from every single one of these fairy channels here on YouTube. So before I tell you how to enter, let me just tell you a little bit about my channel because you're probably new here and you probably found me because of the hashtag. So Crafters Autonomous, I have a video that kind of explains the name and I'll link that in like the card or the description down below. But basically I'm a DIY channel. I love arts and craft, and I've always been kind of, crafty with my hands since I was very little, and YouTube has just been an awesome outlet for me to share this with the rest of the world. So very broadly, I do DIY projects, but more specifically, I will from time to time do projects that I'm working on just around the house. I will do DIY decor videos. I've got a whole Christmas playlist that you should definitely go check out. I'll link that up there. And of course, I do crochet videos. I love crochet. I started when I was, I think about 12, so that's been a decade now for me for crocheting, which isn't that long compared to some of the other creators that are participating in this challenge, but still, it's something that I've loved since I was very little, and I think crochet is just such an awesome medium because it's something that my great-grandmother did, and I just like that whole like generational aspect of it where you kind of like take the skill and it's like something that my ancestors did, something that I do and I can pass on and teach to other people. And of course you can make all kinds of really awesome stuff with crochet. So if you're new to this channel and you're here specifically because of the yarn and crochet community, I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description or maybe in the card, they'll be somewhere, of different things to go check out. But I have a crochet playlist you would probably be interested in. I also have some Tunisian crochet videos, which is super fun. I only got into that about 4 or 5 years ago and I love it. And you might also be interested in my Etsy shop. I've only got like 4 patterns up right now, but I'm working to expand that. So if you want to check those things out, then you can click the links up above or in the description, wherever I stick them. Okay, but now why you are here because of the giveaway. So here's how this Christmas in July Fairies giveaway works. So first of all, there are a bunch of creators in the yarn community here on YouTube, and we are calling ourselves Fairies. So us Fairies are each making a video where we say, hey, we're participating in the Christmas in July Fairies giveaway. The channels who use this hashtag and post a video like what I'm posting here are the channels that are going to be sending a gift to the finalists, whoever wins the Christmas in July Fairies giveaway. So that's the first thing you need to know. Second thing you need to know is that you have the opportunity to enter. So here's how entering works. To enter on my video, all you have to do is sub to my channel and comment down below. You can comment whatever you want. You can just say hi, you can tell me what your favorite Christmas activity is, what your favorite Christmas cookies are, anything you want to. Just comment on this video, make sure you are abiding by YouTube community guidelines, because if you do comment anything that violates their guidelines, I'll have to delete your comment and so you won't be entered. So comment down below on this video before July 15th of 2020. On July 15th, 2020, I'm going to look at all the people who have commented on this video and I'm going to randomly draw a name from those who have commented. If I draw your name, you will be a semifinalist and I will send your name over to Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet and she's compiling a list of semifinalists. So now, what I'm doing is what all these other fairy channels are doing. So for example, on Dana's channel, anybody who comments on her giveaway video, she will draw from those names on the 15th to pick a semifinalist. Every channel is going to pick a semifinalist. So then we're gonna get this big list of semifinalists, one from each of the channels that are participating, and that list is gonna be sent over to Dana. And then on July 25th, which is Christmas in July, 6 months till Christmas, woo woo, Dana's going to be drawing from the list of semifinalists and picking a finalist. Now it's really cool, they kind of changed this up, but what's really cool about this is you have multiple chances to win. So let's say you comment on my video and you are the lucky comment that I draw on the 15th of July. And then let's say you comment on Dana's channel or somebody else's channel and they also draw you. Well, now you're gonna end up on the semi-finalist list 2 times. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you find all these videos, search the hashtag, there's a playlist with these videos and I'll link that down below and probably in a card if I'm able to. I might have already filled up all the cards at this point because I'm linking a bunch of stuff. But you want to find all these videos using the hashtag, watch them, and make sure that you follow their rules for how to enter for that specific video. But then from those videos, the comments will be drawn and we will create a list of semi-finalists, and then from that list of semi-finalists, one finalist is going to be chosen. That one finalist is going to win a prize from every single channel that is participating as a fairy in this giveaway. So like I said, I know there's at least 80 channels. I think we're over 100 at this point. So you have the potential to win 100 gifts, which I think is super awesome. And just, with everything going on in the world right now, I think we need a little bit of love and a little bit of giving and a little bit of kindness to just kind of cheer everybody up. And this is also super helpful for us creators because it helps us gain some traction. So we really appreciate the support and we really appreciate you taking part in this event. But I think I covered everything I needed to talk about. If not, I'll have to film a little bit more. But with that all said, I'm going to hop off here now. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment on this video to be entered for the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting.